everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Sophie. I'm super excited to be back with another eye look tutorial for you guys today. I will be showing you guys how I achieved this olive green look right here. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieved this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. First thing I'm doing, as always, I'm priming my eyes. I like to prime with concealer and then set it in place with translucent powder. I feel like it covers the darkness and just gives a really nice even base. And then I'm going into my Too Faced Gingerbread Extra Spicy palette, and I'm going into that really pretty warm transition color for my first transition shade, and I'm just buffing that into my crease. And then I'm going into this shade right here called Midnight Snack with my angled brush, and I'm just applying a line of definition in my crease, making it a little bit more dominant on that outer edge and making it a little bit softer on the inner corner. And I absolutely love this palette. We have several palettes on our channel we have several tutorials on our channel using this palette. And then I'm going into this small tapered brush and going into this orange shade right here. And I'm just going to be going in left to right motions directly over top of that line. This is going to build a gradient, and we're just going to build off of this. And I just like to work in layers, and it's just the easiest way for me to blend my eyeshadow. Some people like to start with the darkest color and slowly diffuse it, but I personally like to start with lighter shades and then slowly build the depth over top of it. So I just mixed those two shades that I showed, and I went into an even smaller tapered brush. This is going to allow us to get even closer to that line and make it darker. And then I'm going into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Electric Cake Liner. I believe this one's sold out already, and I totally get why they're sold out because they're amazing. They're water activated, super smooth to apply. So I just use it to cut my crease. And then I went into my Dose of Colors Olive You Block Party Shadow, and I just applied that all over the lid. And then I went into the dark brown shadow in the palette with my small tapered brush and just buffed that onto the outer corner to give us some dimension. And then I just peeled off my tape, and now I'm just concealing my under eye, and then I put some translucent powder over top of that as well. For lashes today, I'm applying my Shop Sofie Bella Bahama lashes. We do still have these in stock, so if you guys want to support us, check out our lash company. The link will always be in the description box down below. For my waterline, I went into my Urban Decay liner, and then I'm just applying that first transition color with a smudger brush, getting as close to that lower lash line as possible. And then I'm going into this flat defined brush, going into the dark brown shadow, and I'm just applying this as close to my lower lashes as possible. And then I'm going into my Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara, coating my lower lashes. And then I'm going into my Pixi Beauty Subtle Sunrise Highlight and popping that onto my inner corner. And this is the finished look right here. If you liked this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And we do have a monthly giveaway, so at the end of every single month we ship out a huge box of goodies to one of our subscribers, just to kind of give you guys some love back, because you guys always support us and you guys are the reason why we get to do what we love to do. So if you guys want to be entered for that, give this video a big thumbs up, make sure you're subscribed, turn your post notifications on, and then comment done down below if you live in the US, because our giveaway is US only. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!